Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. You must be signed into iCloud with your Apple ID and Game Center turned on in settings. Once done, open a Game Center enabled game. This prompts the connection flow so you don't waste time hunting menus. Make sure notifications and network access are allowed, because Game Center uses both to sync friends and achievements. If you use multiple Apple ID, pick the one you want for game progress. Now move to adding friends and verifying your profile. You'll now build your Game Center presence. Open Settings Game Center to edit your nickname, avatar, and privacy. This affects who can challenge you. Next, add friends by tapping Add Friends inside a game or settings. Use contacts, email invites, or share a referral link. Once invited, accept requests and enable friend recommendations to discover players you know. Make sure to allow invitations from everyone or just friends of friends, depending on your privacy comfort. This step ties your social graph to multiplayer sessions. You're ready to play? Begin matches and watch leaderboards and achievements sync automatically across devices. If progress or invites don't appear, force a sync by toggling Game Center off and on in settings, or sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. This refreshes cloud data. Make sure your internet connection is stable, iOS is up to date, and restart the device if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if invites fail, verify both players use compatible iOS versions, and the same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.